Konnichiwa aluka kilua kurapika hisoka. This is Art Senpai. First off, I want to say thank you for always watching my videos. Without you kohais, I couldn't have reached this 1000 subscribers mark. So to celebrate this, I'm having a commission giveaway on Twitter. I'm giving out 2 free commissions and you just have to retweet this and follow me on Twitter. So today's tutorial is a special one, and I know that you kohais have been waiting for this. Yeah, the fucking perverts. Today, I'll be teaching you kohais how to draw anime boobies. Boobs is usually, has always been, the selling point of illustrations. To prove my point, I've drawn 2 separate illustrations and posted them on Reddit, and the result is, no matter how much time and effort you put into those beautiful yukatas, the one with the boobs exposure gets more upvotes. God damn it. In all seriousness, I can guarantee that the majority of you kohais have a problem with your boobs drawing, and have been drawing it wrong on the very first step. So, hajimemashou. First thing first, you need to understand how boobs naturally look like when not wearing a bra and wearing a bra. So, disclaimer, the following video may contain nudity and mature themes which is intended only for mature audiences. Viewer discretion is advised. Let's start with boobs without wearing a bra. When not wearing a bra, the boobs are naturally pointed outwards because the boobs sit on the chest, not downwards. You're not drawing my ballsack. This part is connected to the chest, while this part goes outwards. A point to note is that regardless of how big you intend to draw the boobs, the part of the upper boobs that is connected to the chest does not actually change in size or position. Now let's see how the boobs look like from the side view. Remember how I said that the upper part of the boobs is connected to the chest? That connector is actually a muscle called the pectoralis major. This muscle connects the chest to the shoulder, and it's more visible from the side view. Thus, it is recommended to draw them. You don't have to emphasize this muscle too much, but make sure that there's a 2-stage undulation. Also, do keep in mind that the shape of the boobs tend to extend to the side. Now, let's move on to how the boobs look like when wearing a bra. As I've mentioned, you can see that the boobs are naturally pointed outwards, but after wearing a bra, the boobs are squeezed inwards, thus forming the Y shape, aka the cleavage that every man of culture adores. Notice that the middle of the boobs actually has a narrow gap between them, even with a bra. The obvious Y or I shape will only be formed if the boobs are very big, or she wears a push-up bra. Now, let's move on to the main dish. Perspective! Listen well, as this could be the very reason to your problem of drawing unnatural boobies every time. Using this as an example, this contour of the left boob actually corresponds to here, while in the right boob's case, this contour corresponds to here when we view them from the front. Thus, the slope of these 2 lines are totally different. Here's probably how you kohais draw your boobs. Am I right? This is wrong. What are you drawing? Watermelons? Next, I want to talk about how to draw boobs under clothes. Clothes can be worn loose fit, regular, and slim fit. For slim fit, it's impossible to have a line in the middle, and not to mention, it looks unnatural too. For characters with big boobs, all you need to do is just use a few lines to emphasize that the cloth is being stretched. That is all for today's special tutorial. Once again, I want to announce that I'm giving out 2 free commissions for reaching 1000 subscribers. To join this giveaway, you just have to retweet this and follow me on Twitter. The giveaway lasts till the end of this month, which is on the 31st of October. So good luck kohais. Please drop a like, subscribe to my channel, and follow me on Twitter. Alright, that's all from me. Jana kohais.